Pebblebee tracking devices. Pebblebee is a U.S. company located in Renton, Washington with devices made in China. Daniel Daura is the founder and CEO. Pebblebee offers tracking devices including the Pebblebee Clip, Pebblebee Card, and Pebblebee Found. Clip and Card. The rechargeable, water-resistant trackers have an advertised Bluetooth range of 200 to 500 feet from an associated mobile device. The advertised battery life is up to 18 months. The devices include LED indicator lights and a melody to alert users to its location when prompted by the mobile device app or from a browser web page. Devices are compatible with either Apple's Find My app or Android devices with the Pebblebee companion app. There is no ongoing subscription fee for access to the device location via Bluetooth and the associated app. Privacy-conscious users may find the app's notification requirements intrusive because it requests users to authorize access to precise location, nearby devices. Physical activity and camera even though the devices do not have a camera feature. Privacy-conscious users should consider disabling the app when it is not needed for locating a Pebblebee device. Found device. Pebblebee has a device called Found that can be attached to pets, people or objects. This device has Bluetooth GPS and LTE connectivity capability. The device has built-in GPS and requires a subscription fee. The company advertises USA and nationwide coverage LTM, and coverage in other parts of the world with LTM bands 2, 4, and 12. For iOS users there is a live tracking feature that provides location updates every few seconds as shown on a map. Other features include virtual fence, history, find phone, voice assistant, left behind and mark as lost, crowd GPS, directions, share and live tracking. The Crowd GPS Network. The Crowd GPS network uses all phones with the Pebblebee app installed to help locate an item. This process is anonymous. Whenever the device owner or someone passes by and their mobile device detects the lost item, the owner will be notified on the app and receive an email with the current location of the device. No other Pebblebee user will know if they have helped locate the device and only the owner will know the last location. Clip and Card, MAC address lookups. Using the MAC addresses shown on the web-based browser version of the app. A query using public domain MAC address lookup services for the Clip and Card produced no record of the MAC addresses for either device. This indicates that any burned-in MAC addresses may be overridden by Pebblebee network administrators or perhaps randomized as a privacy technique. Forensics artifacts might logically be found on the connected Android or iOS devices associated with the Clip, Card or Found. All of the devices require registration with an email address with Pebblebee. The Found device requires a paid subscription for GPS LTE service. Subpoenas or search warrants to Pebblebee Inc. might be expected to reveal subscriber data and device location histories. Here is the link to their Help Frequently Asked Questions page. The contact information for Pebblebee is below. Pebblebee did not respond to an email request for further information about their devices.